Hey, it's Mark here again, and in this video we're going to start with the reviews page. I'm going to make sure that I put in the content for that page. So I just click reviews there, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to the sales copy of the product. You may have to refresh the page for it to show the extra additional data if it hasn't already. And here's what the experts are saying about why men pull away. I'm going to take all of that information and I'm going to put it into the reviews. All right, so if I copy that, Control C, I wonder if I can just paste it like this. And then I would just click in here, see what it does if I just go to paste it as is. It looks kind of like that. It's pulling the image. I think it's keeping it, pulling it and leaving it on the website itself, which isn't ideal. I'll just double check if it's what it's done there. Oops. So I click on that. Edit is HTML. Oh no, it's grabbing it off a cloud, which is great. I didn't realize it was on a cloud, so that's all fine. I'll go back to, I guess it's probably shouldn't be stealing it off the cloud though. We should probably be inserting the image ourselves, but it's not the end of the world because it's not loading up on every page. I'm not wasting a bunch of traffic there, so I'll just leave that as is. I'll just go back to, how do I see that as a hide block settings? No, that's not it. Show block settings. It's showing it in HTML now, so I'll just go update. I'll preview this, see what it looks like anyway. Preview. Hopefully yeah, it's still showing it. Here's what the reviews. Here's what the experts are saying about why men pull away. Great. There we go. I've got my page done. That's all I needed, was just to grab that and put it in there, and that's my little reviews. Don't worry about the fact that I've got these other menus and stuff. We're going to sort out that later on. We're just trying to make sure that we add these pages, and don't worry about where they're going to get linked to. We are going to get that all sorted within our menu and stuff in future videos. Okay, so that's it for the reviews page, and I'll get on to the next one. All right, bye for now.